So you're trying to figure out how to buy Doge on Coinbase? Well, in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step exactly how to get that done, both on desktop and on mobile, all right? So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. Now, my name is Rakeem Madison, and with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so we're going to start out by showing you how to do it on desktop, and then we're going to transition over to my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it over there as well. All right, now over here you can see there's a bunch of different tabs. Now the tab we're going to go to is this tab right here that says prices, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to bring you to this screen right here, and then right off the bat you can see that Dogecoin is number 5. Now you got two options. You can either click this, which is probably going to be the fastest option, or you could just type Doge in here and it's literally going to bring you to the Dogecoin. Now for sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on Dogecoin. Okay, so now it's going to show you, okay, you're looking at Dogecoin. You can see the price. You can see if it's moving up or if it's moving down. And of course you can see the chart. Now over here is where we want to focus at. So you can see it says buy, sell, or convert. You could do the one-time purchase, or you could just click on, you know, the 10, the 50, the 100, the 500, the 1,000. Or if you want to go custom, you don't want to use what they're giving you, then you could just go ahead and enter whatever amount you want to enter in there. Now, of course, you're going to be limited based on the type of payment method that you actually use. So if you use card, the benefit to card is that you're going to get your cryptocurrency instantly, which is cool. But on the other hand of that is you will be like kind of limited as far as like the amount that you can actually buy per week, right? Because when I got started back in 2016, the first thing I did was I added a card, and when I added the card, I was like, oh, okay, you know, it's cool, I can get it instantly. But then I saw that they limited me. Now, one thing I did notice on the flip side, when you use like your bank account, they'll allow you to get more. But then another thing is they look at, okay, how frequently is this person actually buying cryptocurrency, and then which payment method are they using? So I have, you know, my bank account attached, at least one of my bank accounts, and then I have a couple of cards attached, which over time I've bought quite a bit of crypto. So they start to look at that, and then they'll start to give you these bumps in how much crypto you can actually buy. So that's just, you know, a little bit of education I wanted to share with you so that you know, and you're like, oh, okay, I can get it instantly, but okay, I can't really buy as much as I truly want to. All right, so now in this case, the next step is going to be to make sure it says buy Dogecoin, which is that's what you're trying to buy. And then you can pay with whatever the payment method is that you want to use. So at this point, let's say I wanted to buy $10,000 worth of Dogecoin. So I will go ahead and click on preview buy, and then it's going to pull up the preview buy screen. It's going to show me what I'm paying with, the price that I'm buying at, the purchase, which is what I'm going to actually pay, and then the Coinbase fee, which is what they're going to be taking out, which in this case, if I was buying that amount, then it would take out $146.81 in fees for Coinbase, all right? And then the total would be 10,000. You can see it says trade your Doge instantly while we wait for your funds. You could send your Doge in up to 5 days. The reason that is saying 5 days is because right now I have that specific bank account. So since that's the case, it's looking at, oh, it's going to take that long because if it's a bank account. But the good thing is I could buy a large amount, right? So that's what I was talking about earlier when I was saying the difference between using a card to buy and a bank account. So the next step would be to just go ahead and hit buy now, and boom, you'll get access to your Doge instantly if you're using a card, or you're going to have to wait if you have the bank account. All right, so now I'm about to show you how to do this on mobile. Now you can see I got my phone pulled up. I'm going to go ahead and scroll up till we can see the Coinbase app. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Coinbase app real quick. And then right off the bat, you can see it says Dogecoin is here. Win 300K in Doge. Tap to learn more. Now, I haven't took the time to kind of dive into that to kind of see how it all works. But as for now, we're just going to focus on buying Doge. All right, so you can see we're on the main page when you first get on the app. Now, at the bottom, there's going to be 5 things you can actually click on. You got the home, you got the portfolio, and then you got this blue button in the middle that points to the left and to the right. And then to the right of that, you got the prices tab. Now, that's the one that we're going to actually click on, the prices tab. So I'm going to click on that real quick, and then you can see in the past 24 hours, this is where the market is, but we don't really care about that. All we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and either click up in the top right corner where you can see the search box, and you could type in Doge, or you could just see Doge, which is on the first page right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on Dogecoin, and you can see it shows me the price, it shows me how it's doing in the market, it shows me the chart and all of that. All right, so we're gonna scroll up a little bit to where it says Doge Wallet. We're gonna click on Doge Wallet. Now you can see I have not bought any Doge on my Coinbase account, but I have bought Doge on other platforms. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and click on Buy Doge, and then at this point you see it says one-time purchase. Now, as I was talking about earlier with the cards and the bank accounts and all of that stuff, that same thing still applies. So you can see with that particular card that I have attached, I have a $5,000 limit. But for my bank account, I have a $35,000 limit. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to type in how much we want to buy. So if we want to buy $25 worth of Doge, all we got to do is just type the 25 just like that, and then hit preview buy. And then it's going to show us the preview. All right, so it's going to show us the Doge price, the payment method we're using, the purchase, what we're going to spend, and then as far as the Coinbase fees, which they're going to take, which in this case they would take $1.49, which totals up to $25. All right, and then at that point all we got to do is just hit buy now, and that's it. Very, very simple process. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below with any additional questions that you have. And if you're ready to get started with Coinbase, go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. That'll give you easy access to buy Doge anytime that you want to. All right, so with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.